Hi, my name is Carol. I'm from Amby Agency. So today we have very special guest with us today. So they're from Westpac. So from Westpac, we have.
Hi, my name's Alex. I'm a lender with Westpac.
Hi, this is Ambreen Hussain. I'm the Executive Home Finance Manager from Westpac.
So thank you, Alex, and thank you, Ambreen, for coming here. So we welcome you at Amby Agency. So I'll just go direct to the question. So a lot of our clients actually ask us, what special thing Westpac is giving. So what do you have special package for our investors or for our buyers?
Of course.
Yeah.
Yes, great question. Thank you, Carol. So off the top of my head, we know that interest rates have gone up quite a lot in the last 12 to 18 months. So something that we've brought to market, and we're proud to be the first of the big four banks to bring this, was a product called the Streamline Refinance. And this has been fantastic for people looking for better deals, especially after their fixed rates have expired, because what usually happens is they revert to a much higher variable rate, which isn't competitive. And so we can streamline, refinance them across, and we can use smaller buffers in place to make sure that servicing isn't an issue. But again, any questions, we're here to help.
Is this new service is very popular among the investors and the buyers?
Yes, 100%. Without going too much into the boring numbers, it's quite hard to service your debts these days, because simply a lot of people have bought in the last 2-3 years during COVID, and rates were at a much lower level. We're looking at rates much higher than even what was assessed with buffers on place. So if we have to use higher rates today and assess the buffers on top of these higher rates, then people are getting quite stuck. And so the fact that we have brought to market a streamline refinance just gives a little bit back to the favor of the customer, because those buffers can be reduced. So long story short, high borrowing capacities for refinances.
So that must be very popular, of
Yes.
course. Yes. Okay. So the next question I have for Ambreen.
Yeah.
So we have a lot of first-home buyers. So like when I engage with them, when I talk to them, the first question they ask, like, what do you have for the first-home buyers? Because as a first-home buyer, they're not in the property market. They might not know a lot of things. They might not have enough knowledge. So would you like to say something about them?
Yeah, for the first home buyer, definitely we have started from 1st of July, the first home buyer scheme, which is helping customer 5% deposit with no lender mortgage insurance. And we have a guarantee spot for that guarantee. So definitely we need to apply for it for the customer to have the spot in there. But that's a very good opportunity for the customers to just lock their, start their investment portfolio or residential property portfolio. We all know now it's hard to save, expenses going up, inflation is up, cash flow is going very up as well. So in this scenario, savings are really little for customers. So let's start with 5% deposit, lock your own home, and then in future you can grow and invest in more properties. So that's for the customers. How we can help the customers understanding the first home buyer grant. We can do seminars together with the solicitor and conveyancer to understand what's their needs are, what's the first home buyer guarantee, helping what's benefits out of the first home buyer guarantee, and also the first home buyer grants, like stamp duty exemption or the tax benefits out of it. So we can help the customer to understand how they can step into the first home, and how we can guide them through step by step with that.
Right. Yeah. I have another question for you.
Yeah.
Can you give us some tips, like for our customers, to how they can increase their borrowing capacity? Because everyone wants to buy a house, right? Everyone wants to buy properties.
Yeah.
But they struggle with a lot of serviceability.
Yeah.
So as a bank, what tips would you like to share with them?
The tips is simple. First of all, we need to understand their financial position. What's their debts looking like? What's their credit card commitment or car loan come? They're first home buyers, so they don't have any other properties, or probably they have invested in other shares and stuff. So we need to have a holistic conversation with the customer, understand what their needs are, how we can reduce their existing commitment, what type of expenses they're using that shouldn't be used, or can be controlled, or can be minimized actually, to fulfill their dream, fulfill their dream house, like, buy their dream house. So we have to have the holistic conversation. I can't just say that, okay, you don't have a credit card, don't have a car loan, don't have anything, just have saving. No, credit history is also an important factor for our customers as well. So we need to see the whole overall picture, and then we can guide them through.
Right. And what do you have for clients from Amby Buyers Agency? Like when we refer you our clients,
Yeah.
What benefit do they get if they come to Westpac?
So the benefits is like you will be having a service level 100% from us. So we are combining with you are our referral partner. It's very confidential for us as well. For you to, we will just get a contact number to get in touch with. Alex can continue with that. But then the only thing is we will give a one-stop package for the customer. So look after not only their investment, other accounts, other portfolios as well. So Alex will be the first point of contact, and then from there we look after their banking needs, their financial, how we can grow their financial goals, and how we can help them out with not only home loans or investment loans, other factors also, maybe their protection. Income protection and life insurance we don't do because of the BT has have limited advice only status now, but other stuff like protecting your home, protecting your car, protecting your assets. So we have so many options. It's like a one-stop mall. And then I always say that everything should be under one umbrella to you can exactly see where your financial position is.
Absolutely. I agree with you. So thank you so much, Ambreen, and thank you, Alex, for coming here and sharing your knowledge. And we look forward, working with you, and for many more business as well. Thank you, everyone, for watching this interview with Alex and Ambreen. Stay tuned with Amby Buyers Agency. Thank you.
And with Westpac.
Yes, with Westpac, of course. Bye.
Bye.